Good afternoon to everyone. So in today's class, we are going to solve some numerical problems. We already did the numerical analysis related to the power measurement in wattmeters. Okay, we studied Blondel's theorem, and we are also aware about three-phase four-wire 3 wattmeter method. We also analyzed the three-phase three-wire 2 wattmeter method, star connection and delta connection, 1 wattmeter method. So most of we are very familiar enough with respect to the power calculations through wattmeter. So now we are going to solve some numerical problems so that our analysis will be clear. Okay. So we're going into the first problem. So what does the first problem say? States make yourself comfortable with your scientific calculator. If you don't have scientific calculator, there is no issue. I already posted a application link in your WhatsApp group. Just go through it and download scientific calculator application from Google Play Store. It's quite efficient. I'm also using it nowadays. So just go through it. So the first problem, what does the first problem states? In first problem, so the power of an power input to a three-phase induction motor. Okay, this is a machine. Three-phase induction motor is a machine. So the total power flown with respect to three-phase induction motor is measured with 2 wattmeters. Okay, 2 wattmeters, and 1 wattmeter reading is around 920 watts, and second wattmeter reading is around 300 watts respectively. So we need to calculate power factor. We need to calculate power factor. What is power factor? Power factor is nothing but cos phi. Power factor is nothing but cosine of angle between voltage and current. So we need to calculate power factor in this. So if we clearly observe the problem, so from the given problem, if we see the numerical data, if we observe the numerical data from the given problem, okay, so what will be the numerical data from the given problem? So this is the data we got W1 wattmeter reading, we got a wattmeter reading of second instrument, that is 300 kilowatt. So we need to find out the power factor of the particular motor. Okay, we need to find out power factor of particular motor. So what will be the power factor calculation? So if we analyze the terms, most of you are familiar that tan of phi but is equal to root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. Substitute the values here. If I substitute the values here, what will be the expression? What will be the expression? Root 3 of 920, one second, root 3 of 920 minus 300 divided by 900 plus 300. So what will be the value? What will be the value now? What will be the value of tan phi? What is the value of tan phi? Tan phi value ఎంత వస్తుందండి? What is the value of tan phi from this expression? If we substitute the terms one by one, we know the value of W1. What is the value of W1? 920 watts. What is the value of W2? 300 watts. If we substitute those terms in this expression, so we will calculate tan phi. What will be the expression of tan phi? Let me check. Someone posted in the chat box 0.88212. Let me check. Anyone check with the roll number 212's answer? That is around 0.88 he got. So this is the substitution, that is root 3 into 920 minus 300 divided by 920 plus 300. So if we simplify next, the value of tan phi, anyone other than 212? Right, most people, just three to four people responded. The value of tan phi, let me check. The angle is around 41.34 degrees, right? That is 0.88. Tan phi is equal to 0.88. From that, if we find out the value of phi, so phi is equal to tan inverse of 0.88, that is equal to 41.35 degrees. 212 just got the correct answer. Just verify along with it. Okay, so the power factor value, what is, how can we substitute the power factor value? Power factor is nothing but cos phi, cosine of angle between voltage and current. If we substitute the value of phi here, okay, cos phi is the power factor. In the place of phi we substitute 41.35. okay, what will be the answer? What is the value of power factor? 0.75. Only few people are responding. Only very few people are responding. Make yourself comfortable with our scientific calculator. If you don't have scientific calculator, just go to the link which I posted in your WhatsApp class WhatsApp group, second year BTech Triple E. In that I posted a scientific calculator application link related to Google Play Store. Sorry, there is small network error. So what is the value of cos phi? Right. That is 0.75 lakhs. Right. It's correct. Right. Thank you. So that is about the first problem which we discussed. We calculated the behavior of tan phi. We calculated the behavior of tan phi here. We calculated tan phi here. Phi is equal to tan inverse of 0.88. Okay. So next we define power factor expression. So if we go to the second problem, is it clear with this problem? Can I go to the second problem? Is the first problem clear? I will forward this presentation to our WhatsApp group after the class completion. First problem is quite simple. It's a basic level problem. Okay, I will forward this material to your WhatsApp group. Don't get yourself confused. So completely to the second problem. This is the second problem. If we discuss the second problem, 2 wattmeter method. So in this 2 wattmeter method, this is a 2 wattmeter method. That means it is a three phase three line system. So in the 2 wattmeter method, we got the reading of 2 wattmeters. One is 14.2 kilowatts plus 14.2 kilowatts, and another wattmeter what we got, that is minus 6.1 kilowatts. Okay, and the line voltage is around 440 volts. 440 volts. So we need to calculate true power drawn by the motor. Okay, we have to calculate the power factor, and next we need to find out line current. So here we have three applications. We have to calculate the power factor, true power, we need to calculate the power factor, and we need to calculate the line current also. Okay, so the reading of wattmeter 1, W1, that is equal to 14.2 kilowatts. We already got from the problem. W2 is equal to minus 6.1 kilowatt. Okay, and the line voltage is equal to 440 volts. So first thing in the question, we need to calculate true power. How can we calculate true power? If we sum both of them, if we sum W1 plus W2, okay, so what is the value of W1? The value of W1 is 14.2 kilowatts, and W2 is minus 6.1 kilowatts. 14.2 kilowatts plus 6 plus of minus 6.1 kilowatts, that is minus, plus into minus, that is equal to minus, that is 14.2 minus 6.1. What is the answer? What is the first bit? What is the first bit related to true power? Just anybody respond. What is the answer? Someone posted it is 8.1 kilowatts. The chat box, is it clear? Right, 8.1 kilowatts, right? Thank you. So if we go to the second question, what is the second question we need to calculate? Second question is nothing but power factor. Okay, we have to calculate power factor. Power factor is cos phi. Power factor is cos phi. Right. So verify with this first answer. Is it 8.1 kilowatts or not? So I'm going to calculate the second one, that is power factor. How can we calculate power factor? First we need to calculate phi. Okay, tan phi, that is equal to root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. What is the value of W1? Value of W1 is 14.2 kilowatts. Value of W2 is 6.1 kilowatts. Okay, so if we substitute the values there, okay, so if we substitute the value, W1 is equal to 14.2 kilowatts and W2 is equal to 6.1 minus 6.1 kilowatts. Okay, if we substitute those parameters here, what is the value of W1? That is 14.2, that is 14.2 plus of minus 6.1. If we substitute them and if we simplify, this is the expression. So what is the value of tan phi? What is the value of tan phi? Just anybody respond in the chat. What is the value of tan phi? Someone posted the value of tan phi, that is 4.34. Is it correct? Verify. Right, 4.34. 4.34. 246 got 4.34. Someone got 4.35. Is it correct? Anyone verify with this? I'm checking the answer. That is the answer is 4.34. Okay. Tan phi is equal to 4.34. So from that, if we substitute the value, we need to find out the value of phi. So what is the value of phi is equal to tan inverse of 4.34. What is the value of phi? So what is the value of phi? Tan phi is equal to 4.34. Phi is equal to tan inverse of 4.34. Okay, what is the value of phi? Respond in the chat. 77.02 degrees. 246 got, roll number 246 got 77.02 degrees. Just anybody, anyone cross examine this thing, cross verify this answer. Anybody got similar answer or anybody differed with this answer? The answer is 77 degrees, right? It's correct. So we know the value of phi. Phi is equal to 77 degrees. So we need to find out power factor. Power factor is nothing but cos phi. So value of phi is nothing but 77 degrees. Okay. So what will be the expression of power factor? Cos 77 degrees is equal to, solve along with me. Solve along with me in your running notes. Use scientific calculator or scientific calculator application. So the problem calculation will be simple. 0.22, right? What is 0.22? 0.22 lead or 0.22 lag? Right, only 2 to 3 people are responding. We have 33 students in the room. Right, 0.224 lag. Right, it's correct. I mean, let me check. The answer is 0.224 lag. It's correct. So we solved the first bit. The first bit is nothing but true power drawn by motor. We solved the second bit. Second bit is nothing but adjusted power factor. Okay, is it clear? So let me go to the third problem, that is line current. How to calculate line current IL? So we will use this relation, P is equal to root 3 into VL IL cos phi. In most of the derivations and in most of the numerical analysis, we derived the power expression, that is P is equal to, what is this arrow? P is equal to root 3 into VL IL cos phi. So just for nomenclature purpose, I am substituting the value VL in the sense EL. VL in the sense EL. So what is the value of line current from this? How can we calculate? Means P is equal to root 3 into Value of what is the value of P we got? Already we know the value of P or true power calculated is 8.1 kilowatts. Kilowatts is converted into watts, that is 8.1 into 1000, that is equal to root 3 into value of EL. What is the value of EL? EL is equal to 440 kilowatts into IL. We know the value of IL. We have to calculate line current, that is I suffix L into cos phi. What is the value of cos phi? 0.2249 lag. Okay, so from that expression, what is the value of IL? Just calculate along with me. What is the value of IL? That someone posted in the chat. The line current IL is equal to I got 1.28 milliamperes. Yeah, 212 got 1.28 milliamperes. I myself also calculated, that is 1.28 milliamperes. What is the answer? Correct answer. Anybody got the correct answer? Cross examine this. Someone posted 47.2652 amperes. Right. 212 got 1.28. I got 47.2 milliamperes at 47.2 amperes. Just anybody got the similar answer? Line current 48.31 amperes. Right, anyone? Let me check. Let me check the correct answer. The answer is IL. This is the value of IL. If we equalize the right hand side with respect to the left hand side expression, okay, IL is equal to 8.1 into 1000 divided by root 3 into 440 into 0.2249. What is the value of IL? IL is equal to 47.26 amperes. So this is in this type of calculations, how we solved the things means we calculated the behavior of we calculated true power, okay, and next we calculated the line power factor, and that the third parameter we calculated the line current. Okay, true power, how can we calculate true power means the summation of two wattmeters. If it is a 2 wattmeter method, W1 plus W2. If it is a 3 wattmeter method, W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay, simple. In how to calculate true power means W1 plus W2, summation of 2 wattmeters or summation of n wattmeters, W1 plus W2 plus so on up to Wn. Okay, so how we know how to calculate power factor. This is a constant expression which we use in whole. Okay, next we know cos phi. We know the general power expression. In most of the things we know, to calculate line current in electrical circuit analysis also we got this expression, P is equal to root 3 into VL IL cos phi. Okay, so this is about the second problem. If anyone got any problems, any queries, let me know in the chat box. We will discuss that. So I'm going to the third problem. What is the third problem stating? Third problem states a three-phase 440 volts motor load. Okay, it's a three-phase load. The motor rating is 440 volts and has a power factor of 0.6. Okay, so two wattmeters are connected to measure the power which is shown at the input power is nothing but about 25 kilowatts. Okay, find the reading on other instrument. That means he stated here in this problem it is a load three phase load and the line voltage is 440 volts and the power factor stated is 0.6. So this entire motor power is studied with the help of two wattmeters. Okay, first wattmeter is stated with 25 kilowatts. We need to find out the reading in the second wattmeter. That means we need to calculate the value of W2. Okay, we need to calculate the value of W2. So if we see the given data, input power is 25 kilowatts, the line voltage is 440 volts, and the power factor of the actual load is around 0.6. Okay, so if we substitute the values here, so first we need to find out the value of phi. We know the cos phi is equal to 0.6. We need the value of cos phi is equal to 0.6. We need the value of phi. Just anybody solve what is the value of phi? Let me check what is the value of phi. 53.13 degrees. Okay, 212 got 53.13 degrees. 246 got 53.13, and I myself also got 53.1 degree. Let me check. The answer is 53.13 degree. That is the value of phi. Okay, if we substitute the values further in the expression, so what is the value of tan phi? Tan phi. We need to calculate tan phi. Okay, so the phi value is 53.13 degree. I substituted the value of phi here, tan 53.13. What is the value of tan 53.13? 1.33. 246 got 1.33. 212 also got 1.33. And I myself got the answer 1.3. Let me check the answer. That is 1.33 degrees. 1.33. Okay, so we need to calculate what is the main purpose of this calculation. Is we need to find out the reading in the each instrument. Two wattmeters combined together measure a reading of 25 kilowatts. We need to calculate power in W1 and power in W2. Two wattmeters individual power rating we need to calculate. So we know W1 plus W2 is equal to 25 kilowatts. So that is also given in the problem. So from that, if we substitute the value, tan phi is equal to 1.33, that's why I substitute. So in this expression, this is the expression 1 actually. This is the expression 1. This is the expression 1. Okay, this is the expression 1. From this expression, so I substituted the value of tan phi is equal to 1.33 here. I substituted the value of 1.33 here in this value. Okay, 1.33, that is equal to root 3 into W1 minus W2 divided by W1 plus W2. What is the value of W1 plus W2? That is 25 kilowatts. I substituted here. Okay, so from this, if we equalize LHS and RHS, okay, so W1 minus W2 is equal to 1.33 into 25 divided by root 3. What is the value of W1 minus W2? What is the value? W1 minus W2. W1 minus W2 is equal to, right, 212 got 19.196. Anyone verify this thing? 212 got 19.196. 207 got 19.240. 245 got 19.19. Anyone? Anyone got similar answers? I myself got 19.2 kilowatt. Right, 246 got 19.240 kilowatt. Let me check the answer. That is 19.24 kilowatt. Right, 19.24 kilowatt. 257 also got 19.24 kilowatt. Right, it's correct. So we calculated the value of W1 plus W2. Now at this point of problem, we know the value of W1 plus W2 is equal to 19.24 kilowatt. We know the value of W1 plus W2 is equal to 25 kilowatt. So what is our main objective? Our main objective is to find out the power at individual wattmeters. That means how much amount of power flowing through W1, how much amount of power flowing through W2. Okay, if we equalize these two expressions, if we equalize these two expressions, if we equalize these two expressions, if we equalize equation 2 and equation 3, okay, what will be the power? Power is W1 is equal to 22.12 kilowatt and W2 is equal to 2.8 kilowatts. That means we need to equalize W1 plus W2 is equal to 25 kilowatts and W1 minus W2 is equal to 19.24 kilowatts. Okay, both of them, we will get W1 is equal to 22.12 kilowatts and W2 is equal to 2.8 kilowatts. Check with this thing. Do you people got the similar answers? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, is this problem clear, or anyone is having any doubt with it? Right, 212 got the same answer with respect to W1. So after calculating W1, substitute in one of the expression, substitute in equation 2 or in equation 3. After calculating W1, you can substitute here the value of W1 or in W2, or next we will calculate the behavior of W2. Value of W2. I think it's clear. So if we go on to the next problem, problem 4. What is the problem 4 stating? So in a three-phase circuit, two wattmeters are used to measure power to indicate around 1200 watts and 600 watts respectively. Find the power factor of the circuit when both wattmeters reads positive. Okay. So second thing is when the latter is obtained by reversing the current coil connections. So this is a different type of problem. So this different type of problem is mostly asked in government exams, competitive exams like in staff selection committee or in AP state government examinations like AP SSTC examinations or in Transco or in Genco. So if we solve this type of problem, so this is a three-phase circuit, 2 wattmeter method. W1 is measured with 1200 watts and W2 is measured with 600 watts respectively. Okay. So we need to find out the power factor of the circuit. When the wattmeter is reading, both are positive. That means 1200 is positive and 600 is positive. So what happens when current coil connection is reversed? If current coil connection is reversed, one of the reading will get definitely negative. We will see what will happen in the calculation part. So this is the given data we got. W1 is equal to 1200 kilowatts, W2 is equal to 600 kilowatts. Just anyone calculate what is the value of tan phi? What is the value of tan phi? Root 3 into 1200 minus 600 divided by 1200 plus 600. What is the answer? We got tan phi related to tan phi. I myself got 0.5. Anyone got 0.5 with the value of tan phi? Tan phi 246 got 0.57. Let me check the answer. 212 got 0.577. The answer is 0.577 tan phi. So from this, substitute the value of tan phi and calculate the value of phi. 247, right? 0.55, it's correct. 245, it's correct. Okay. 212 got 29.98 degree. 246 got 29.984. Let me check how much I got. .30 degree I got around 30 degrees. Okay, what is the value of power factor? What is the value of power factor? Power factor is around 9 cos phi. What is the value of phi? Phi is equal to 30 degrees. Power factor is around 0.86 lag. Okay, so this is the first thing. We calculated the power factor at first case when both wattmeter reads positive. That means W reads plus 1200 watts, W2 reads plus 600 watts. So in the second case, what we need to calculate? In the second case, we need to calculate when one of the current coil connections are reversed. Now the current coil reversed. Let me check the second case. If one of the current coil connections are reversed, W1 value will be 1200 kilowatts and W2 value will be minus 600 kilowatts. Okay, so what will happen to the calculation? Substitute the things here, that is tan phi is equal to root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2, that is equal to root 3 into 1200 minus of minus 600 divided by 1200 plus of minus 600, that is equal to root 3 into, so if we oversimplify this is the expression. Okay, what is the value from this expression, what is the value of tan phi? Tan phi 212 got 5.196. Anybody verify this thing? 247 got 5.196. Okay, I myself got 5.1. I calculated and the answer is 5.1. Value of phi. If you people got the value of phi, if you got the value of tan phi, just calculate the value of phi. Phi is equal to tan inverse of 5.19. Okay, let me check the answer. Let the tan phi is equal to 5.196. Phi is equal to tan inverse of 5.196. What is the value of phi? 79.094. 246 got 79.094. 247 got 79.106. 212 got 79.106. Okay, let me check the answer. Value of phi. The value of phi, that is 79.1 degree, and the power factor. What is the power factor? Cos phi is equal to, what is the value of power factor? Cos phi, cos 79.1 degree, that is 0.18, nearly 0.2. Right, 212 is correct. Right, anybody got the similar answer? Just cross check with this. The calculation, the power factor calculation is 0.1889, nearly 0.2, nearly. Okay, what we did in this problem, in a three-phase circuit, we know the value of individual wattmeters. W1 got 1200 kilowatts, W2 got 600 kilowatts. We calculated the power factor when both wattmeter readings are positive, and if one of the current coil is reversed. Okay, one of the reading of wattmeter is negative. So we calculated the power factor when both wattmeters got positive reading, and we also calculated the power factor when the current coil is reversed, when the wattmeter got is negative. Okay, so we go to the next problem, problem number 5. So in order to measure the power input and power factor of an overexcited synchronous motor, okay, when two wattmeters are used, if the meters indicate minus 3.5 kilowatt and plus 8.0 kilowatt respectively, that means W1 is 8.3 minus 3.5 and W2 is 8 kilowatts. Okay, calculate the power factor of motor and power input of the motor. So this is the first case. That means since it is a over-excited synchronous motor with a leading power factor, that means W1 gives a negative reading with respect to W2. So the W1 is equal to minus 3.5. Okay, if we substitute the things, that is equal to root 3 into minus 3.5 minus 8 divided by minus 3.5 plus 8. What will be the value of tan phi? What is the expression with respect to tan phi here? What is the value of tan phi? Let me check the answers in the chat. 74.5 to 271 got 74.5 and 231 got 3.6. 231 got 3.6, 247 got 3.6, 217 got 74.5. That means that is not 74.56 is not tan phi, that is phi. Tan inverse of 3.6 will get 74.5. Okay, many people got the same answer, right? Right, okay, right, okay. Tan inverse of phi. Okay, let me check the value. The phi value is 3 point, tan phi value is 3.6, and if the calculation of tan inverse of 3.62, that is 74.6. 74.6. Okay, so if we substitute the value here at this instant, right, 247, 24, right, it's correct, 74.6. Verify this thing parallelly. So we need to calculate the behavior of power factor here. We need to calculate the power factor here. So what is the power factor? Power factor is nothing but cosine of angle between voltage and current. Cos phi, that is equal to 70, cos phi, that is equal to cos of 74.6 degrees. Okay, what is the expression? What is the value of cos phi? Solve along with me. Cos phi is equal to, I got 0.26 lead. 0.26 lead. I myself got 0.26 lead, right? 212. Is there an issue? 246 got 0.26 lead. 247 got 0.265. If you have any problem, just let me know in the chat. 257 got 0.65 lead, 0.265 lead. Okay. Let me check the answer. (212) posted a doubt, but there is 5.5 given in the denominator. Right? What's the issue? Okay, 8. 8 minus 3.5 is nothing but 5.5, right? Okay, I calculated the same and got the same answer. Just just go through it, just recalculate the term. So if we see the value of cos phi, that is equal to 0.265 lead. Okay, so if we calculate the power inputs, okay, the second problem, first case, at the first case we calculated the power factor of motor. What is the second case? At second case we need to calculate power input to the motor. Power input to the motor, that is equal to true power. True power is nothing but summation of wattmeter readings. Okay, second case, power input to the motor W1 plus W2, that is equal to minus 3.5 plus 8. What is the thing we got? That is 4.5 watts. 4.5 watts. Is it clear? Is this problem clear? Is there any doubt with this thing? Right, most of the people got the same answer with respect to the power input, that is 4.5 watts. 4.5 watts. Right, thank you.